Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a 10 by 10 inch canvas and some black paint and an OXO omelet turning spatula. I've got some leftover paint and a shovel. I'm thinking about adding some more to it. I think I had to put my glasses on. There we go. It's a warm afternoon. If I'm fast, my paint won't dry too quick. I'm not even looking for imperfections right now. But if I find them, I've got tweezers handy, and I put those tweezers on my Amazon link. It's underneath the video. It links you to my Amazon site where I have lists of art supplies. This OXO omelet turning spatula is there. My books, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities are there. So that's going in the bucket. I'm going to grab my shovel that has a lot of dark paint in it and put only light paint in it. And I don't need much because it's a very small canvas, and I have some Anita's white metallic right there. And I guess we'll find out what happens now, because I'm going to go, I want to start in the middle. And all that's going to drain onto my Lola-Fee silicone mat. My gold is going to be joined by my blue, I think. And I'm going to use a little tiny swipe card if I can find one. I kind of want to cut one. Actually, I'll just use this one with the point on it. I'm going to grab my enamel. You know what? I want to use the pink enamel. And what do I want to put at the bottom? You know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to take a chance and see what happens. Maybe we'll make some flowers. Who knows? I'm going to start with... I'm still going to give myself some black enamel. Probably too much. I need a smaller tip on my bottle. And I'm going to wipe off whatever's left on that card. So the green doesn't really show up, but at least now I know that. Covering my bottom edge with my thumb as I go. Could have used a lot more gold, it looks like. Not seeing anything that's impressing me so far, but I think those cells will just keep on popping. If I'm really not super impressed, I can always tilt or add more paint. I like the green. That's cool. So, I'm not seeing as many cells pop as I want, and I'm going to go ahead the blue doesn't pop really well, and I really wanted to know about that. I want to save that paint. I want to use that paint is what I want to say. Why not? Have some fun. Try whatever it takes. Any green I get, I can definitely move around some. I could even put a little more on there. Use my fingers. So that's the only one that's not affected. I think I'm just going to go right up the top. I'm very tempted to do something like grab my turquoise color shift and think about any other colors I might want. The turquoise color shift with the black usually has a wonderful iridescent shifting blue to it. I'm still thinking. Assuming as I like dots a lot. What am I going to do with those dots? That's the question. Because I know I could blow them out a little. Not only that, I could use my favorite color in there. Or I could put the blue in that I so desire. And pretend they're all little flowers. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link, under Show More. So that's kind of cool. The only thing that I really want to do now is choose whether I put some more green in the bottom or not. And I guess that's an obvious choice. I'm just sort of nudging it with a skewer. I'll be touching up my edges. I wasn't going to do that, but I am. And I wasn't going to do this either, but I am. That is the color shifting purple from Floetrol that I'm in love with currently. Until the next infatuation color comes along. So that's all pretty cool. And I'm going to torch it and call it good and touch up my edges with some black. I'm going to leave that funky little area in there because it just adds some interest. Drag that up. I could drag things through there pretty easily. You could definitely drag some stuff. You don't want to drag down to canvas too often though, because it's only going to heal so far. So that's cute. I've got creative playlists all organized for you. If you're interested to find more of my videos, you can. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching the videos longer. I love you guys dearly. Thank you for coming. Thank you guys for the donations that have kept me painting. And please subscribe if you haven't. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I love you guys. Bye for now. Come back soon. I will see you anon. Look on my community board on YouTube for tomorrow's video also. Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale.
I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.